Hello, guys. Welcome to Tarot Space. This is going to be a very, very important video. You can see how I have started recording this video. And I just placed my camera right in front of me and I took the mic and I started recording this video because this video is completely channelized. I was so anxious when I received the channelized message, and it was so much that I had to write it down and understand what exactly the spirit guides wanted to communicate to me, and this message is going to reach to only few of them. Do not expect that this message is going to be for everyone. People, especially this is for people who are water signs, that is Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, and air sign energy is very, very strong. But okay, if you have landed onto this video, then definitely understand for a fact that you are going to land onto this video only because your spirit guides wanted to deliver this message. You have been through a lot in this entire year, and that is the reason you are here. Hi, my name is Gurpreet Kaur, and I'm a psychic tarot reader. I'm not using any kind of tarot cards in this video. I'm just using all the channelized messages that I received this morning by your spirit guides. I was feeling really anxious, you guys, and I'm telling you that the energy was so heavy that I had to sit down with a pen and paper and I had to jot down whatever I was getting. Let me tell you the brief about this video, what exactly it is going to be, and I am going to give you a prediction that no one else is going to give you because there is a shift in timeline. Now, scientifically, Matrix is changing, the timeline in changing. The timeline is changing. Yes, you guys, you are not aware about this, but being the psychic, I can feel the energies completely change. The energies are not only changing physically, but it is changing in terms of science. The matrix is changing and you can experience a lot of natural effects, natural calamitical effects, because you can see there is water where there is not supposed to be water. There can be land where there is not supposed to be a land. There can be fire where there is not supposed to be a fire. So there can be sudden incidents that are going to happen in the world because the matrix is changing. Everything is changing. The dimensions are changing. Everyone is going towards a higher dimension energy, and you are a part of it, and you are a part of it in a very different way, and that is the reason you are watching this video. You have always grown up with a sense of magic was around you, magic surrounded you. Your family went into a lot of losses. Your family dealt with magic, and maybe some of them were not even aware that magic was there, and are still watching this video. But understand for a fact that you're watching this video because you are a spiritual person and the spirit guides have always helped you, and you're a very lucky person. Let's talk about the channelized messages that I have received. Firstly, I would love to tell you that if you are impatient and if you are high on energy and if you are someone who does not like to slow down, if you are someone who loves working all the time, and if you are someone who distracts your energy through work and wants to do something to prove something or whatnot, there is very messy kind of an energy, then this video is definitely for you. I've channelized this video for you. Now, there is this air spirit guide who is coming to me and who is telling me a lot of things, who told me a lot of things basically. So, first, I feel this the matrix change and the change in the energies and the change in the dimension is not only going to affect the world, but it is going to affect the mind of people. There is going to be a mindly effect, a thoughtly effect, a perspective shift, a perspective change. People are going to go all out on social media. You will see a lot of people being very free on social media, and you will see that those people are getting viral. People who do not make sensible videos, but then they are getting viral just because that is out of the boundary for the culture. So people who are away from the culture are going to get famous because they are doing something that is completely different. They are just flowing. They are just going all the way out, and they are just experiencing or making you uncomfortable. And if you're getting uncomfortable a lot these days in social media, then understand for the fact that this is a sign. This is a sign that the matrix is changing. The intellectual is changing. The perspective of people are changing. And the perspective, if the perspective was this, it is going to be this now. this. So this means there is going to be a broader perspective. This energy and this shift is going to change a lot of mindset of people, a lot of perspective of people. If you're watching this video, understand for a fact that you are called upon to change your perspective. The way you think and the way you see things is very important. You need to change how you see things. You need to come out of all that no longer serves you, all that happened. I feel there were two lives that you actually lived. One ends right here after you watch this video. It ends right here. Your old self is ending right now. Because this is a realization and awareness that your body will get into, that okay, I am accepting what is coming towards me, because you're not in acceptance right now. And this is a very heavy channelized download. I'm telling you guys, I'm shivering right now when I say this. And it tells me that, it ends now. The second life is starting for you. You are going to have an experience of lifetime. The shift is going to happen after 9th of December, because the energy of 9, energy of Mars, is going to be activated, I feel like, and there is going to be fire. The fire used to burn in your solar plexus and sacral, but now the fire is going to burn in your mind. I feel that this intellectual and perspective change is also going to bring a lot of opportunities. Let me tell you that the more you change your perspective, the more opportunities are going to come towards you, and you will realize that I had this opportunity previously also, but why didn't I actually act towards it? Because you were not supposed to act at that particular dimension, but you are supposed to act at this particular dimension, because your thought process, your intellect, your way of thinking, your everything is going to change, and in some way things are going to work for you. Things you have been waiting for will start coming towards you. And you will feel like, I did not even make any effort to do this. How in the universe I am getting all of these things suddenly? Why am I getting these thoughts? Why am I getting this energy to do these things suddenly? Because you were supposed to. The amount of delay you experience, the amount of stoppage, or the amount of weight that you experience, everything that you experience was just because of this time, because of this timeline shift. And the universe wanted you to, so in this entire year you were stuck in between, and universe wanted you to be stuck in between, because universe wanted you to feel that energy and this energy as well. And now you have to choose which energy you want to be in, because if you choose to be in the previous energy, you are going to have health issues. You're going to just not survive. You're going to be uh stuck, and you're going to not feel anything, and most probably you're going to be depressed, because you have to choose your newer version of you. And I'm so sure that people who are watching this video are choosing their newer version, because you are in a state of healing. You have completely, I feel that people who have done a lot of healing this year, people who have done a lot of magic this year, people who have focused on themselves, they know what I'm talking about. They know the newer version. You know that you hugged spirituality this entire year, and that is the reason you're watching this video. This video is not going to reach to everyone. I'm telling you, this video is going to reach only those people who actually needs it, who are actually aware about this energy, who is actually aware about this energy. Yes, something just happened. Let me be very honest. The opportunities that you're going to experience is not going to be related to materialistic things. I'm so sorry, but if you're thinking that you're going to be rich, or you're going to be earning a lot of money, no. I think the opportunities are going to be just for you. The opportunities are going to be for your creativity, for your passion that you have been holding on in your sacral chakra, that you have not been working on towards. And whatever your wishes were, and whatever you actually wanted to do in your life, you'll start doing it. It will feel like bliss for you. And trust me, when you start doing this, you will not have any financial issues, because I'm sensing the spirit guides are telling me that, once you start doing whatever you like, and once you take the opportunities and take the action. Now, I am also going to be very precise about how to take the action, because that is the second message. I guess this video is going to be in two parts. One part is going to be related to your mind, related to your mindset, related to matrix shifting, dimension shifting, and everything. And the other part is going to be how to take action. Firstly, understand for a fact that you have to take action in terms of creativity. You have to take action in terms of your passion. You have to take action in terms of your energy and your hobby, because that is going to show excellent result, and this is going to make you famous. You're going to be known by people. People are going to start knowing you and people are going to appreciate you. You are going to be on fire, guys. And that's what I'm sensing here. You're going to be on fire. Now, the bodily fire is going to be ignited in your mind. Your mind is going through a phase of breakthrough, and your mind is going to blow away because there is going to be so much cultural shifting that you are going to experience very, very strongly. When I say this, the light just went off, everything went off. So my electricity is gone suddenly, and that is the confirmation of the spirit guides that yes, your mind is going to go through a breakthrough. Your mind is going through a breakthrough in a way that you are going to understand and realize that whatever I thought was real is not actually real. Whatever I thought was the thing, the reality is not actually the reality. And you were in your mind, and now you're coming back to your energy. It feels like now you are coming back to this energy of changing your mindset. The way you were born and brought up, I feel like everything is going to be changed. You are going to be a different person. At least you're going to be a different person in terms of how your family is not. Yes. Okay. So it's not the whole soul or it's not the whole body entering the journey of new matrix. It's only the mind. So that is the reason there is going to be a lot of, and mind talks about the air element, thoughts element. So that is the reason there is going to be excessive winds coming in. And you have heard already about the cyclone. Cyclone is when the air energy gets aggressive. So you can already see the fire element getting in touch with the air element and creating cyclones, creating excessive winds, creating um creating that energy that is going to also be created in your mind. There is going to be cyclone. You are going to experience a lot of cyclone. Your mind is going to rush. Your mind is going to be so much in pain. This was a channelized. Your mind is going to be so much in pain. You'll feel like, and your mind is going to grieve because all the older things that your mind thought that, look at this, whatever older things that that your mind thought is actually right. I feel that everything will go away. Everything will change, and your mind is going to grieve for some period of time because everything the mind thought that was reality, suddenly the mind will have a reality check. Okay, so it's not the whole body which is going to get affected, but it is extremely the mind, the air element that is going to be affected. There is going to be a lot of pollution that you are going to see around us. Obviously there are certain areas of India who in which there are extreme pollution. There is a lot of winds. There are cyclone already hitting the area. So just look around what is happening. It's just the air element getting very aggressive. That means the thought element, the mind element getting very aggressive. There is a lot of frustration and aggressive in the mind of the person. Now let's just talk about the second episode, like not the second episode. For me it is an episode because it is the second element of the channelized message that I received. This is how to take action. Now, making it very clear, you guys are very impatient and you have always been very impatient. You will be very, very um, waiting. You will want to wait that when exactly it is going to happen. I'm so eagerly waiting. No, it is not going to happen if you're doing that, if you're very impatient. All this while in this entire year, universe has made you ready for this shift. And I am very glad and I am very sure that you might have experienced how to be patient. And you are very patient right now, and you have realized that being patient is something that I guess is the best option and that serves me the best. And if you have realized that being patient is something that you will be honored with and is something that will take you towards your destiny and is something that will take you ahead, then you have to be in that energy because it's very, very important. Second is, I feel like I've got this very, very nice message that talks about you have to flow like water. You have to flow like water. Water shifts places, water gets adjusted in any place. Water is emotional, water is understanding. You have to act like water. You have to move like water. Also, water will take you anywhere, so you can't expect that today you are here, so tomorrow you are going to be here. So you have to move like water. You have to just surrender yourself and let universe decide where you go. Let universe just take you places, and just give the control to the universe, because whatever is going to happen with you right now is going to be very, very, very destined. It's like the shift. Let the shift bring the shift in you. Don't stop the shift. Flow like water and blow like air. Yes, this was a very good message that I received. Blow like air. So you have to flow like water, and wherever you see your focus, wherever you see that, okay, this is what I want, just don't be impatient. Just look at that thing. Just notice it. Focus, plan, and blow like air so that it is hitting at that particular thing. This is how you have to start operating from now on. This was a very heavy channelized message when I wrote it. Till now, the light is not here at all. So I don't even know if I'm on focus. I have no idea, but I don't know if I'm not on focus, then also I am going to upload this video, because if spirit guides really wanted me to shoot this video, then obviously I feel that everything is going to be great, because the camera is too far away from me. I was thinking to shoot this through my with my camera. I did a whole setup today because I feel that it is also a change for me, and I really need to appreciate the change. If I have things, I really need to value those, and I need to flow like water, blow like air. And that is what I'm doing right now. I don't know if it is focusing me. I don't know if I am looking dark. I don't know if I'm, because I have no makeup on my face. I've just gotten up. It's like 11 11 right now. Oh my god. It's 11 exactly right now. And I am right here without any electricity in my house right now. The electricity went off while recording this video. I'm sweating profusely. So you know how much efforts that I am taking to shoot this video is just because it is a heavy download. Next is, you need to meditate regularly. You can't stop meditating. You need to meditate, because if you meditate, then only you are going to get in touch with how to be uh, right there. You have to experience, and you have to inculcate slow downing. Okay, so it's like you need to slow down. You just be silent for a particular period of time. Just don't do anything. Just slow down, because that is what universe wants. Universe wants you to be completely empty, so that universe can give you something in your hand. If your hands are empty, universe will give you something. If your hands are filled up, universe can't give you anything. So you need to be very empty for the certain period of time for universe to give you opportunities that you have been waiting for. Okay. Next is, take a very soft approach to anything that you want in your life. Okay. And energy is running in your body. It's like the energy is gaining momentum, and it is going to shoot you. Just like you blow in the air, the energy is going to shoot you and drop you at a place where you actually wanted to be a year or two back. You thought of this, and it is going to happen right now. This was a very heavy channelized message, and I hope this resonated with you. And if it did, let me know in the comment section. And do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because that is how you connect to my energy. And if your energy is connected to me, I will be able to channelize messages for you. Do not forget to subscribe, guys. Also, I want to make an announcement. Started membership on YouTube. Not for all. I know a lot of people are not going to take that membership, but I really know that there are going to be some people who are going to take it. What exactly you can expect? There are going to be only members videos, wherein I'm going to talk about magical things. I'm going to give remedies. I'm going to talk about magic. I'm going to teach magic to you, talk about switch words, talk about a lot of things. So if you resonate with me, if you connect to my energy, you really need to know that my life rotates in around magic, and I'm surrounded by magic. I'm surrounded by fairies, spirit guides, angels, whatnot energy, and I communicate with them and I talk to them, and that is the reason I could make a video for you every single day, because I communicate with them. So if you trust my energies, go and become a member on my YouTube channel, which will help me as well as you to grow. Do not forget to read the description of the YouTube channel. You will understand what this channel is all about. Thank you so much.